Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to jump right into it with rounding to the next 5. So alright, we just learned last video that our two criteria are 3 and 4. So we need to write a test. If, let's just build this as a function. Let's not get too fancy. Let's just call it 5s. So if, and here's our test, so if we divide by 5, we're going to have a remainder of 4 or 3. And we know about our OR word, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, OR word, stop here, go look at OR and AND video. Do a search for OR and AND, go watch that, and come back and watch this. So, okay, so divided by 5 equals, but since we have two options, we need to put them in actually, let's do this. We'll break this up. Equals 4, because what do we need to do? We need to take x and increment it by 1, and elif x divided by 5 equals 3. We increment by 2. So okay, print x. So let's test this. 5s. Let's test 99. Let's see if we did this right. Copy, paste, paste, paste. Okay, let's check. Let's test 98. Let's test 91. Let's test 84. And so, okay. Should round, should round, should not round, should round. So we should get 100, 100, 91, and 85. Let's see if we did it right. 100, 100, 91, and 85. So let's look and see what I did. So when we were here, this is off by 1, so our remainder is 4, right? So here's our result for the remainder 4. We need to add 1 to it, because that was 99. So we add 1, get to 100. And then if the remainder is 3, we need to go up 2 more to get to our next 5. So now, here's a little bit of a hint. We can actually compress this just a little bit, and I want to see if anybody can see what this is here. So we're going to stop here, let you guys digest this. In the next video, it's going to be a much smoother and cleaner way to think through this, so we just have one condition. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell. And please leave any comments, questions, or video requests below, and we'll pick up right here with the absolute best practice. So hope you guys are getting something out of this. We'll see you in a minute. Bye guys.